Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Luna. She was bright, playful, and loved her free time. But when it came to studying, she would sigh, roll her eyes, and say, "It's so boring. Why do we even need to learn all this stuff?" One evening, while tossing her schoolbook aside, Luna noticed something strange. A golden scroll appeared on her desk. It was glowing softly. As she reached out to touch it, a strong wind swirled around her, and in a flash, Luna was pulled into a strange and magical place. Books floated in the air. Shelves stretched into the sky. The air whispered with gentle voices. A wise old owl flew down and said, "Welcome, Luna. You are now in the library lands. This world is full of knowledge waiting to be discovered. To unlock the map of lifelong learning, you must find the 3 scrolls of wisdom. One for each kind of learning: curiosity, reading, and mistakes. Are you ready?" Luna blinked, then nodded. Her magical quest had begun. She stepped into a glowing forest called the Whispering Woods. Around her, the trees rustled with whispers. Glowing question marks floated gently in the air. A soft voice said, "Ask, and the path will appear." Luna paused, then asked, "Why is the sky blue?" Suddenly, a glowing stone lit up in front of her. She smiled and asked again, "How do trees grow?" Another stone appeared. The more questions she asked, the more the path lit up beneath her feet. Luna had discovered something powerful. Asking questions helps us find answers. There, inside a hollow tree, she found the first scroll, the scroll of curiosity. Next, Luna arrived at a wide river. There was no bridge. Books floated above the water, but they moved and wobbled. She tried to step on one, but it sank. Then she heard the owl's voice again. "To move forward, you must read what is written." Luna opened a floating book and read aloud. A caterpillar becomes a butterfly. The book began to glow and turned into a solid step. She read more. The sun rises in the east. Rain gives life to plants. Each sentence built a path across the river. Step by step, she made it to the other side. Reading gave her a way forward. Reading opened a new path. And there, she found the second scroll. The scroll of reading. Now came the trickiest part. Luna entered a glowing maze, called the puzzle path. She turned left. Wrong way. She turned right. Still no way out. Again and again, she got lost. She sat down and said, "I give up." But then Professor Quill appeared. "Luna," he said, "mistakes are not the end, they are your best teachers." She stood up, remembered where she had been, and tried a new path. This time, the wall disappeared. Each time she made a mistake, she learned what to do better. And finally, she reached the center of the maze. There, waiting for her, was the third scroll, the scroll of mistakes. The 3 scrolls floated into the air. They glowed, and then merged into one. A magical map appeared, the map of lifelong learning. Suddenly Luna was back in her room, but something had changed. She looked at her books, picked one up, and smiled. This time she didn't groan. She opened the book and started reading. Because now she knew the truth. Learning is not just for school. It is a lifelong adventure, and she was ready for it. Now, let's learn the meaning of some new words from Luna's story. Curiosity. This means wanting to know or learn something. Like when Luna asked, "Why is the sky blue?" Wisdom. This is smart thinking we get from learning and experience. The owl, Professor Quill, had a lot of wisdom. Opportunity. A good chance to learn or do something. The library lands gave Luna a big opportunity. Mistake something we do wrong, but we can learn from it. Luna learned many lessons inside the maze. Lifelong something that lasts your whole life. Just like learning, it never really ends. So remember, be curious. Ask questions. Read as much as you can. And never be afraid to make mistakes. Because every step you take, Every word you read and every question you ask makes you stronger and smarter. Learning is your superpower. Use it every day. You got this.